Good evening, my name is Kevin Rivera over here at JTech. Tonight we're going to be performing some lubrication system tests. First we're going to be doing a pressure test. What we have done is we removed the old pressure switch. Somewhere over here we hooked up our pressure gauge to it, and we're going to be checking our pressures. At idle it should be running around 10.1 psi, and at 3,000 RPMs it should be running around 44.1 psi. And from then we're going to be going into checking the signal to the switch. We're going to be hooking up a multimeter to the wire harness and checking, make sure how much voltage we get there. And then we're going to be checking the switch itself by checking resistance through it. So right on this time we're going to start the vehicle, run it at idle. And as you see, we're running around 75 psi. That's way too high. So it's a problem within the system. Then once we bring it up to 3,000 RPM, you can see that we're going up considerably, around 80 something psi. So we're good for that. And that's how you check your pressure in the vehicle. And we're going to be going from here, checking on the signal to the switch. All right, we're back here. Now what we're going to be doing is, like I said before, we're going to be testing the reference signal to the switch. What we have is, we have one pin hooked up to the connector, and because it has a positive voltage going to it at all times. And now we're going to be just grounding this up to check how much voltage we got. So we have about 10 volts. So our batteries are real low. And that's our reference voltage going into the switch, because the switch only provides the ground to the system. So from here we're going to be going and checking the resistance, testing the actual switch. What we've done is we hooked up this alligator clip to the switch, and now we're going to be checking straight to the body of the switch, and we have around 2.5, 2.3 ohms. And that's how you do your lubrication system test. Alright, so right now we're going to explain how the system works. Basically it's a switch, and it has a spring inside. The way it works is you have a positive voltage coming in to the switch itself. The switch only provides the ground to the system to turn on the warning light if you don't have enough pressure. And if you don't have enough pressure, it'll close up, completing the circuit and lighting up the warning light. When everything's working normal, it'll open up, so no warning light at that moment. So that's how basically works the warning light on your lubrication system. Thank you.